How to improve your mental and emotional health. Your emotional and mental wellness are crucial components of your general health. In actuality, they are equally crucial to your overall health. Medical problems like depression can have an impact on your mental health. Environmental aspects, including your also have an effect on the job. Your social life, love life, and mental state all have an impact on your emotional well-being. Whatever the circumstances, you can take action to enhance your emotional and mental well-being. Make it a top priority first. You may start figuring out how to meet your needs once you've evaluated them. Additionally, you can enlist the aid of your loved ones in your quest for better mental health. Method 1. Making your mental health a priority. 1. Make a priority list. Spend some time examining the big picture. Exist any areas in your life where you know you could do better? Determine which of these areas is most significant to you by focusing some of your attention there. Making your sister's relationship better can be one of your top concerns. Finding ways to preserve a balanced work-life balance, good physical health, happy relationships, and a fulfilling spiritual life may be another focus. Finding out what you want to change the most will help you choose the best course of action. 2. Make a self-evaluation. Everyone possesses emotional intelligence, often known as EQ, in addition to standard intelligence. EQ is a term that describes how well you comprehend your feelings and behavior. If you want to enhance your mental and emotional well-being, determining your EQ is a fantastic place to start. Online assessment tools are available to help you understand your results. You can also get help figuring out your EQ from a mental health expert. This will enable you to identify the areas that require the most work. You might discover, for instance, that you struggle with acknowledging your emotions. That can provide you with a springboard for development. 3. Set objectives. When you've finished your self-evaluation, it will be easy for you to pinpoint the areas that need the most work. Spend some time creating some precise, reachable goals. These objectives may be both long-term and short-term. For instance, perhaps you'll resolve to meditate for 10 minutes each day. That is a pressing objective. By the end of the year, you might say, I would like to feel more secure in my conflict resolution techniques. That is more of an extended objective. Goals should be written down. This will strengthen them for you and increase your likelihood of committing. 4. Organize your feelings. Learning to acknowledge your feelings is a crucial step toward enhancing your emotional well-being. It could seem easier at times to ignore an unpleasant mood. Processing your information, though, is crucial. Emotions. The process of handling your emotions involves several steps. This procedure entails sensing. You now become aware of how you are feeling. This emotion could be accompanied by a bodily experience. For instance, you can feel depressed and have tightness or weight in your chest. Naming. At this point, you give the emotion a name. For instance, you may conclude that the emotion you are experiencing is sadness. Attributing. This is the time to look for the cause of the emotion you're experiencing. You might, for instance, blame a depressing mood on a difficult work day or a quarrel with a buddy. Evaluating. You consider how feeling an emotion makes you feel at this point. For instance, you might observe that you feel uncomfortable or irritated because you are sad. Your background or culture could be the cause of this. Acting. You make your decision on how to express or deal with the feeling at this point. For instance, if you are depressed, you might choose to write about it, take a stroll, make a call, or simply sit and do nothing. 5. Learn to recognize your triggers and how to handle them. Everybody has unique triggers. Yours may be certain individuals, events, or locations. Spend some time identifying your triggers and creating strategies for dealing with them if you want to manage them. For instance, you might see that your sister triggers your anxiety every time you are around her. As a result, you might create a strategy to help you deal with being around her, such as keeping conversations light, putting a time limit on your visits, or bringing a friend along to serve as a support system. 6. Amass knowledge. Avoid the misconception that people with mental health concerns don't have real problems. Your physical health is equally as vital as your mental and emotional well-being. Learn about the significance of maintaining your mental health. Obtain a library card. Look for books that discuss the importance of caring for your mental health. Investigate your options for enhancing your emotional health. For instance, you might go to a yoga facility and inquire about the advantages of yoga for the mind. Method 2. Choosing healthy activities. 1. A fantastic time. Happy news: according to experts, playing may be beneficial to you. Making time to do something enjoyable is a terrific strategy to improve your mood. Consider finding some novel ways to have fun. Plan a gaming evening. Invite some pals over to play some cards or board games. Visit the park. Swinging is enjoyable for both children and adults. More jokes, please. Try asking, "Lovely weather, isn't it?" while you're standing in the rain while waiting for the bus. Even though it's not really creative, making jokes can lift your spirits. 2. Be innovative. Make an effort to connect with your creative side. Both therapeutic and mood-enhancing creative endeavors are possible. Think of drawing as a soothing pastime. Attend a class in art. For information, speak with the community center in your area. Additionally, it would be a fantastic way to meet new people. Purchase a coloring book. Coloring is enjoyable for adults as well as children. Adult coloring books can promote relaxation and stress relief. Play some music. Or pick up a musical instrument. Either a group class or a private instructor are options. 3. Volunteer. It's a terrific way to feel good about yourself to help others. You can elevate your mood and strengthen your emotional well-being by volunteering. Additionally, it's crucial to assist people. Win-win situation. Pick a topic that appeals to you. Consider volunteering at your neighborhood animal shelter, for instance, if you love animals. Meeting new individuals might be facilitated through volunteering as well. Possibly even meet some new pals. 4. Take a walk outside. A natural mood booster is nature. Your mental health will benefit from being outside, which can help you calm down and relax. Make it a point to spend a lot of time outside. Go on a break from your work. On good days, take a stroll to a neighboring park to eat lunch rather than staying at your desk. Go spelunking. Visit the state parks in the area and go hiking. Invite a friend along for the bike ride. 5. Take up meditation. Stress and tension can be reduced by practicing meditation. Decide to incorporate meditation into your daily practice. Start by adding 2 to 3 quick sessions each week if you're not yet ready to try it regularly. Even a 5-minute meditation can be beneficial. Download a meditation app that offers guided sessions. You can select the length you desire. It's beneficial to meditate both in the morning and at night. Just be careful to pick a peaceful area and put on some comfy clothes. Try to relax your thoughts. Pick a mantra to repeat, like Om. Educator for holistic health. Our expert agrees, if you've never meditated before, try searching through the various meditations on YouTube. Find a meditation instructor or even an ashram or retreat where meditation is the main focus if you wish to advance your practice. Method 3. Practicing physical self-care. 1. Maintain stress control. The relationship between the mind and body is essential for preserving health. It's likely that your mental and emotional health will suffer if you don't feel well physically. Maintaining the health of your body is important. Gaining the ability to manage your stress is among the most crucial things you can do. Take a break. Say, for instance, "I'm going to take a walk around the block to cool off before we continue this discussion" if you and your partner are having a disagreement. Find coping strategies. Everybody encounters stress. To be able to handle it is the key. When you're worried, experiment with alternative methods, such as gently counting to 10. Try having a soothing bath or listening to music as well. Observe your breathing. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth slowly and deliberately. This will assist calm a rapid heartbeat that is frequently brought on by stress. 2. Exercise. Your mood is elevated by the endorphins that exercise produces. You may enhance your general health, feel more confident, and manage your stress by engaging in regular exercise. Try to exercise for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. Find a hobby you like to do. You'll be more apt to follow the plan. Do you enjoy dancing? Attend a class of Zumba. Chat with friends while working out. While you catch up on gossip, ask a friend to go on a lengthy walk with you. 3. Adopt a balanced diet. There is no doubt that food has an impact on your mood and general mental health. Be sure to maintain a balanced diet. Make sure you consume a lot of fruits and vegetables every day. Add complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and these. Some foods can improve your mood. Consider including avocados, walnuts, and salmon in your diet. Additionally, keep an eye out for blueberries and kale-type leafy greens. Avoid eating anything that might make you feel bad. Try to avoid eating fried food and sugary snacks. Limiting your consumption of alcohol and caffeine is also a smart suggestion. 4. Get adequate rest. If you don't get enough sleep, you won't feel good. Prioritize getting a good night's sleep. Most adults require 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Try to have a consistent bedtime and wake-up time each day. Your body will be assisted in adjusting to a normal sleep schedule by this. Limit your use of technology before bed. 1 hour before night, turn off the television and laptop. Do not check social media or email after midnight. Being sleep-deprived might make you agitated, worried, and unable to concentrate. Method 4, connecting with others. 1. Don't be shy. Being socially active is crucial for feeling your best. Going out every night is not a must for being social. It just suggests that you should try to socialize more frequently. Hello your neighbors, please. Making friends and having a good time can make you happier. Make new friends. If you enjoy reading, think about joining a local book club. Plan beforehand. Make an effort to expand your friend network. Inquire about getting a smoothie after class if you love speaking with someone in your yoga class. 2. Obtain a pet. Animals are a great way to find friends. They may also be humorous and entertaining. The best part is that pets are a terrific source of unwavering love. Pick a pet that will fit your lifestyle. For instance, if you enjoy hiking, get a dog that can go along. You can feel needed by taking care of a cat, and neediness is crucial for mental wellness. 3. Speak to loved ones and friends. Be sure to maintain relationships with the individuals in your life that are significant to you. Your loved ones can encourage you when you're struggling and rejoice with you when something positive occurs. Spend time with the folks in your personal network on a regular basis. Go out of your way to reconnect with someone. Say hello and that it has been a while on the phone. Come on over and let's catch up. When necessary, rely on your loved ones. Saying to Bill, I've been feeling down lately. Have you have any free time this week so we can meet and chat? 4. Look for expert assistance. You can have instances when nothing you do seems to be working. Think about seeing a doctor if you suspect you may have a mental health issue. For instance, seek out a counselor if you have experienced depression. When it comes to problems like anxiety or depression, therapy can be quite beneficial. Consult your physician for advice. You could also go to your primary care doctor. Identify any potential physical causes for your mental problems. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share information with everyone. Thank you for watching